Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Canon printer cartridges on the market, the Canon PGI-280XL and CLI-281 5-color pack. Whether you're printing important documents or vibrant photos, this set promises excellent performance and impressive longevity. This value pack features a high-yield pigment black ink cartridge designed for crisp and clear text documents, paired with dye-based color cartridges that bring your photos and images to life with rich, vivid colors. The combination is perfect for users who want both sharp black prints and stunning color outputs without having to compromise on quality. So if you own any of these models, you can expect a hassle-free installation and optimal printer performance. The inks are formulated to work best with genuine Canon photo paper, thanks to Canon's exclusive Chroma Life 100 system. This technology ensures that your prints, especially photos, remain vibrant and resist fading over time. This is a major plus for anyone looking to preserve memories or professional prints without worrying about deterioration. Another important aspect is the cost-effectiveness of these cartridges. The pigment black cartridge is XL-sized, meaning it can print approximately 1,200 pages, which is quite substantial compared to standard cartridges. This helps reduce the frequency of replacements and overall printing costs, making it a smart choice for home offices, students, and small businesses alike. The design and build quality of the cartridges themselves are also worth mentioning. Canon manufactures these inks to maintain consistent flow and prevent clogging, which can be a common issue with third-party cartridges. This ensures your printer stays in good condition and you avoid frustrating print interruptions. If you're someone who prints a variety of documents and photos regularly, this pack offers the versatility to handle both with ease. The dye-based colors deliver smooth gradients and vibrant tones in photos, while the pigment black ink provides sharp, durable text documents. In summary, the Canon PGI-280XL, CLI-281 5-color pack is a reliable, high-quality ink solution for compatible Canon Pixma printers. It combines long-lasting pigment black ink for clear documents with vibrant dye-based color inks for stunning photo prints. All supported by Canon's Chroma Life 100 system to keep your prints looking great for years. With solid compatibility, good page yield, and trusted brand quality, this cartridge pack is definitely worth considering if you want to get the most out of your Canon printer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.